This is a Medeco biaxial. I believe it's a 64S. I'm gonna go through and try to open it, and then if I get it open, I'll talk a little bit more about what I'm doing or what I've done. But all right, so I'm gonna use a 50,000th pry bar Peterson and the Peterson number 7 hook. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Alright, so 4. I don't know, that might be set right. I might have 3 set. I gotta find 1. I don't know if I got 2 set right or not. 3, 4. I don't know. We'll give it a maybe not. Start it over. These things, you have to set the pins to the right height and at the right angle. Go through and check it. Felt something. I wonder if something's not set right back there. 4, 3. That's not 2. Number 1. Set that. So I'm going to go back to number 4. 4. Might have set good. Number 3. Number 2. Click out of. So 4, 2, 3. From 4. From 3. I probably overset number 2. Third time's the charm, right? So maybe a little something out of 4. Maybe not. Two, 3, 4. Didn't quite feel right. Alright. 2. Alright. Still nothing on 1. 4. 2. Still nothing more. Alright, 4, 3. And 1. Okay. Cool. That took a little longer than I had expected, but well, I'm actually kind of happy with the fact that it only took 5 minutes. But okay, so this thing is the medeco biaxial. It has the pins and it has the sidebars. So not only do you have to set the pins, but you have to rotate them into the correct position with their pry bars. And one thing I've noticed with these is if you set the pins correctly, you get good feedback. The only thing I can compare it to is like setting the pins on an American Lock 1100 correctly. You get that distinct click and that little bit of shift on the core. And if you set them incorrectly, it's like oversetting the pins on an American Lock 1100. How it kind of has that mushy feedback, like you're trying to push the pin through Play-Doh with a little bit of sand in it. This lock took me forever to get open, but so yeah, that's the medeco biaxial 64F.